Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we have a run glitch to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that we have a lot going on at Dollar General this week. We have the clearance event that's going to run through Thursday, October the 5th. We also have this sales event going on with an amazing deal on pillows. We also have some run deals going on. The green dot pillow glitch is still a go. So if you've missed any videos, make sure that you go back and check them out before these deals are gone. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they're simply just that. They're a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you get into the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And also another very important thing to remember, the deals are in the details. So please watch the video all the way through. It helps me, helps you, and it helps me help you. All right, so watch the video all the way through. That way you get all the details and can get in on these deals. All right, so jumping right in, we have an amazing sale going on this week on the General Mills cereals. They're on sale 3 for $6, which is a fantastic deal all by itself. But we do have some digital coupons that are going right along with this deal. We do have a 1-off-2 digital coupon for the General Mills cereal themselves. And then we also have a DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $10 on General Mills products. So for this deal, you are going to want to make sure that you have both of those coupons clipped to your account. Now for this run glitch deal, this is a pickup order only deal. All right, so what you want to do is go into your Dollar General app, add 3 of the General Mills cereals to your cart. I believe most of these were priced at $3.85 each at my store. They could be a little bit more or a little bit less at your store. Just make sure that you are picking 3 that are on sale, 3 for $6. And yes, you can mix and match however you would like, as long as when you pull them up in the app, they should show up the sale underneath. It should say on sale 3 for $6. So once you have your cereals, add those to your cart. And we're going to do this as a pickup order because we've got a little glitch going on, all right? So once you add those to your cart, you're going to see that 3 offers have been applied. Number 1 is the sale, 3 for $6 on General Mills cereal. We also have that 1-off-2 digital coupon and our spend 10 on General Mills products. So there is where the glitch is. It's actually taking our original subtotal and applying all 3 deals, including that spend 10, save $2 DG store coupon. So after everything has been applied, that is going to leave you paying $3 for 3 boxes of cereal. Now, I think that is a fantastic deal. And this deal gets even better. But first, I have to make sure that everybody sticks around until the end because I do have a second deal that I'm going to be sharing with you all. So please watch the video all the way through. We've got some really important details coming up. Now, like I said, this deal gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have rebates for General Mills products. Now, these may vary from account to account, so make sure that y'all check yours, but on my account, I have 70 cents back when I purchase 3 General Mills cereals. And this purchase will also qualify and track toward my spend bonus as well. Right now, it's not a really good one. It's spend 50, get back $2.50. But either way, it's tracking toward that bonus. So once you get your 70 cents back, that's going to make your final price $2.30 for all 3 boxes, making each one just 76 cents each. Now we have to talk about some important details. So like I said before, we are doing this as a pickup order, which means that we are not going to get a printed receipt at the store to scan into our Fetch Rewards app. So before you go and do this deal, you need to make sure that your Fetch account is linked to your Dollar General account. Now, I just linked mine this morning, and what you need to do is go into your Fetch app, click on the little button at the bottom of the screen where we normally would scan our receipts in, and instead of choosing printed receipt, you're going to choose e-receipt. Then that's going to prompt a window to come up. It will probably say you don't have any accounts linked, and then it's going to show you a screen where I believe you have the options of linking your Walmart account, your Amazon account, or your Gmail/email accounts, okay? So what you want to do is click on your Gmail or email accounts and just make sure that you have all that linked up. Just follow the prompts. It was super simple and easy. It might have taken me 2 minutes to get through the whole process. So make sure that you have that linked. That way, once you put in your pickup order and you get your e-receipt back on your account, then Fetch will pick that up and give you your points for these purchases. Now, with this deal comes a very big disclaimer, and that is that pickup orders can be canceled for any reason. The employees may not see it on their handheld, and the system may automatically cancel it. If an employee sees it and they don't feel like fooling with it, they can cancel it. So there's a number of reasons why they can cancel these orders. Now, what I usually do is go up to the store, I will put all of my things in a buggy, and I will tell the employees, hey, I'm putting this in as a pickup order. All you have to do is scan it when it comes through, and bada bing, bada boom, we are done and ready to go. Oh, I'm going to be up there first thing this morning fulfilling my own pickup orders. I will take them up to the front for the employees and say, here's my pickup order. It should come through any minute. Anyways, if you guys don't want to deal with any of that, pickup orders, linking your Fetch Rewards account, if you don't want to deal with any of that, don't worry about it. I've got you covered with an in-store deal that is just as good, if not better. First, I wanted to show you guys a couple of little foundational deals. So first up, we have the Chex Mix. They are on sale too for $5. We have that 2 off 10 DG store coupon for the General Mills products, and we have 2 75-cent off 2 digital coupons for the Chex Mix. So after all of those are applied, you're paying $6.50 for 4 bags. Or you could also pick up the Bugles, which are also working with all 3 of those coupons. So pick up a total of 10 bags. Use those 3 coupons. You're paying $6.50 for 10 bags of Bugles. Now, if you want to do a deal in store, here's a quick breakdown for you. Pick up 3 boxes of the cereal on sale, 3 for $6, and 4 bags of the Bugles at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $10. So that gets us to our $10 subtotal for our 2 off 10 General Mills DG store coupon to apply. Then our 1 off 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon and 2 75-cent off 2 Chex Mix/Bugles digital coupons. And that's going to leave you paying $5.55 for all 7 items, making each one just 78 cents each. But again, this deal does get even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get 70 cents back for picking up 3 boxes of the cereal. And we also have a bonus on Fetch Rewards right now for when you purchase 4 General Mills tailgating products, which does include the Bugles. You're going to get back $1.20. So that's going to make your final price $4.60 for 7 items, making each one just 65 cents each. All right, guys, so there you have it. A quick little run glitch deal for us this morning, plus a deal that we can do all week long. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to stick around because I have more awesome deals and amazing freebies to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe if you haven't already, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.